Kits offers users the ability to pre-build racks layer by layer that can then be added to orders with ease. Instead of entering orders item by item, users can simply add one or many rack kits to orders, simplifying the order entry process. The existing list of rack kits can be viewed or edited as needed. On the rack kit, users can add or edit the items on the kit, then auto-generate the rack for optimization or manually configure each layer. Here, users can see the percent of the rack used to ensure the kit is as full as possible. On sales and transfer orders, users can add rack kits quickly and easily by selecting rack kits. Enter the quantity of rack kits desired for the order. Once the rack kit is added to the order, all items from the rack kit are added to the order. Users can create a new rack kit on the fly just for this order and can also save that rack kit for future use if needed. Simply select the items needed for the rack kit. Add the quantity you want on the rack kit. Then generate the rack kit layers. Finally, apply the rack kit to add this new rack kit to your order, and you are done. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how SilverLeaf can empower your operations from accounting and inventory to production processing and order fulfillment.